Every man needs some of this salmon with this sauce in his life. How is it that good? I'm getting goosebumps. It's that good. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. As promised in yesterday's video, today, earlier as you just saw, I threw in this Upstream O2 sensor, and what this should do is make me idle a little leaner, because I'm idling basically as rich as it goes. It shows 10 on the AFR gauge. It should idle at 14.7, which is stoichiometric, have the right air-fuel ratio, because right now I'm getting really bad fuel economy, and I was never expecting good fuel economy from turboing this thing and having no tune, but it'd be nice if I could get better fuel economy. So I went ahead and threw that Upstream O2 sensor right there. Now let's go drive it around and see if it made a difference at all. Okay, so right when I started the car in the garage, it was running right around 14.7, if you guys can see. And I was like, oh sweet, it worked. And then I just updated you guys out there, got in the car, and it was back at 10. See, now it's back at 10. So I'm just gonna drive it around here, see what it does, and then I'll update you guys in a minute here. Oh my God, you guys, it cruises so much better now. Before, it would cruise, but you'd give it any gas and you could tell it was dumping so much fuel that it was bogging itself out. Now we're cruising right around 14.7. It knows what it's doing now, which is awesome. I'm hoping in boost it'll be okay, but we'll see. Okay, let's give her some beans here. Second gear, 3,500 RPM, here we go. Still rich the first pull I did, but this one was lean. It was like 13-to-1 in boost there. Well, all of a sudden now we're back to a super rich idle, and you can't see it now, but the vacuum, the boost gauge was just shaking in vacuum here. I don't know why, but it was doing that yesterday too. I was driving around a lot yesterday, started doing some weird things a little bit. Okay, let's eat. Okay, we're going for the boogie. Here we go. We were looking at like 13.5 there, I think. I stay in it for the videos, you know? I stay in it for you guys. Okay, now we're idling a little bit better. It's so weird, when I first started it, it was idling where it should be, stoichiometric. Then it started idling, and then it was running really smooth too. Like it wasn't being super rich, and it would roll into boost nicely. And now we're kind of back, see, like that's nice. Partial throttle, right around there, okay. I actually got out of the car too to check if my makeshift bung, because I didn't weld a bung in like I said I was going to. I actually just drilled a hole with one of those Christmas tree bits and then screwed the bung right into there, and it might have wrecked the threads, but I don't really care. We were just cruising at 14, and then I turned the camera on. Now it's going richer, but this is like just a nice cruise. I think it's better than before, than yesterday. 13.5, I'll take it. It's not 14.7, but it's getting there. I still got those rich backfires. See, I noticed with the O2 bung in today, I'm leaner in boost, which I thought might happen. My fuel and boost yesterday, if you saw yesterday's videos, was really good actually. Okay, back for another tunnel run here today. Let's see what we do. Starting at 50 kilometers an hour. Oh, this is the corner right here, brother bear. Oh yeah. Woo! Tires don't have the grip. Oh yeah. Which way are we going? Back this way? Okay, we're just sitting here idling. This is what the car likes because it's idling extremely rich at 10-to-1. And now when you go into boost, it stays a little more rich. So we'll just turn out here and go directly into boost with the hazards on. And just eats, man. Hazards were for the cops. Okay, I've been beating on it a fair amount here. We'll see what it does. Oh, bog. Gotta kind of clutch kick it a bit. Okay, well there you have it. Installing the Upstream O2 sensor didn't do a heck of a lot. At the very start it did, but off camera near the end, it kind of went back to how it was yesterday. It was staying between like 11.5 and 12 in boost, like in wide open throttle, which is good. And now it's back to idling super rich at 10, and I don't know. Anyway, the next video to come out, I think I'm gonna gap the spark plugs for boost. They're supposed to be pinched down a little bit, like tightening the gap. And my buddy Jared said apparently on a Subaru when he upped the boost, he closed the gap a bit and it made a difference. So we'll see if it makes any noticeable difference on this thing. I meant to do this before, but I just never did, and then it was running fine. Side note, my ears are ringing now from the drone. I just drove this thing for an hour and a half or 2 hours, and my ears are just, it feels like I can't fully hear my voice. The drone is unbelievable, apparently. I didn't notice it that much, but, well, actually, yes, I did notice it. Okay, guys, I'm just rambling now, so, oh, you know what? Actually, let's give you a little advice today. Here's my advice to you for the day. If you're not sure about something, try it. That's basically what I'm doing with this car, because there's only so much I can find on the internet. The rest, I'm just trying and seeing if it works and documenting on YouTube here so you guys can see it. So that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to tune into the next video to see how the gap affects the boost, affects the performance, and we'll see you next time.